In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or change your profile photo in Dialpad. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to tap so your teammates can easily recognize you in calls and messages. Before we start, make sure you're signed in on either the web portal or the app and have a clear photo ready on your computer or phone. A simple head and shoulders picture with good lighting works best, and standard image formats like JPG or PNG usually do the trick. First, log into Dialpad using the method you prefer. On a computer, open the web portal in your browser and sign in. On a phone or tablet, open the Dialpad app and log in there. A stable internet connection helps the upload go smoothly, and if you're on mobile, it's a good idea to have the latest version of the app installed. Next, head to your profile area. On the web, look toward the top of the screen for your avatar or initials and open your settings. In the app, open your personal menu and go to your profile. This is where you manage details like your name and picture. Once you're on your profile page, move your mouse over your current photo. If you don't have one yet, you'll see a placeholder with your initials. On touch devices, just tap the photo or the placeholder. This reveals the option you need to change it, so don't worry if you don't see a button at first. Just hover or tap. When the option appears, select Edit. It may look like a small pencil icon or an edit label. This opens the image picker so you can choose a new picture. Now choose a new photo from your computer or device and upload it. Pick a clear, recent image where your face is centered and easy to see. If you're prompted to crop or reposition, adjust it so your face sits nicely within the frame. Confirm or save to complete the upload. The change might take a moment to process, and it can take a little time to sync across devices, so give it a second if you don't see it update everywhere right away. If the upload doesn't go through, check that the file is in a common format like JPG or PNG and not excessively large. Trying again or switching to a different photo often resolves it quickly. That's it. You've logged in, opened your settings, hovered or tapped your current picture, selected Edit, and uploaded a new photo. Keeping your profile photo up to date helps colleagues find you faster and adds a friendly, professional touch to your communications. Thanks for watching and enjoy your refreshed profile.